Off the line, he bowls to this field. That's into the gap. Should look for two. No ball called. That is excellent running between the wickets.
There is a fielder at cover.
Bang! Into the gap for four. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That's four. Didn't time that well, but definitely will be pleased with the result. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. He is an outstanding touch here. He is dealing in boundaries. No ball called by the umpire. Overstepping on the last one, and that will be a free hit. He has found the gap. That is a boundary. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. And he helps himself to a six. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Edged and four. Can he do it again? Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Brilliant from the bowler, and it looks like he really enjoyed it.
Has to walk back to the pavilion. Deep point in place.
That is a beautiful shot. It's a strong area.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. The line he bowls to this field.
Strokes it into the gap for a single. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. Pacer introduced from the other end. Slips in place.
What a ball that was. He couldn't believe his luck. Excellent delivery first up.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
Nudges it for a single. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing.
Pacer introduced from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That is lovely timing from the batsman.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That's six. He picked up the length very early. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Bowled him. The stumps go for a toss.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Deep point in place. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Can he do it again?
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.